welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this vanity mirror. So it comes with 15 bulbs, free compact magnifier, as well as a user guide. So let's open it up. Comes with a bunch of this stuff. The plug. So this is the compact mirror they were talking about. Over here we got the beautiful mirror. You can see my little setup over there. You can see my ring light, my lights, all that stuff. And right now I'm using a cardboard box instead of a tripod because it's easier. This is actually touchscreen, so you can utilize everything with those 3 buttons over there. All right, so we are going to flip it around. This is the bottom, and there are 4 of those. That is actually going to attach to this so that it could stand up. This is the tool that you need. So we're just going to unscrew those and then match those holes down here, making sure that this is the base and this is facing upward, not this. When those are all screwed on, you can flip it and then it stands on its own. So just a nice little stand like that. And then this thing you can stick right here. And it is really sticky, so let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. So the plug is right here, and then to turn it on, there it is. This one says M, okay, this one says P. So there's different settings. I don't know, and then you can just turn it off. So super easy to use, easy to set up, and then you can literally place it wherever it is that you want because there's already a built-in stand. So that's the Hollywood makeup mirror for you. For more product reviews, continue watching. Also, if you want to purchase this, the links are below. But please make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think about this and if you have any questions. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.